Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with another healthy high-protein breakfast recipe. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day and I have make sure that it has a lot of protein and fiber to keep full and also energetic throughout the day. It is a South Indian breakfast recipe which is called paniyaram or appam. This is a very tasty and also healthy breakfast we can make for our family. And also it doesn't take much time to cook as we already have the dosa batter made earlier in night so that it is fermented overnight. Fermented food is very good for our gut as it loaded with a lot of good bacteria, which is called prebiotic and it works wonders for our digestive system. I always try to make different breakfasts for my family so that they are not bored of eating same might and every day also children will love this recipe. So let's get cooking. First I have taken a spoon of cooking oil, put it in a pan. Once the pan is heated, then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 fra. Mustard seed splatters, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds and mustard seeds fried nicely, I add few curry leaves. Curry leaves gives nice flavor to the dish and also it is very good for our hair, nails and skins, so I try to add curry leaves in my recipes whenever possible. Mix everything with the help of a spatula. Now I am going to add 20 grams of Bengal gram or Chana dal. Chana dal will give nice crispy taste to the paniyaram. Fry everything well for 1 minute. Now I am going to add chopped onion and chopped green chilli. I am not going to add salt as the dosa batter already has salt in it. Now fry it for a minute and then let it cool for some time. And once it is cooled down you can add it to the dosa batter and mix everything very nicely. And now I'm going to switch on the gas and put the paniyaram maker on the gas and let it get heated. Once heated I am going to put oil on the cavities very nicely. Paniyaram also can be called spicy pancake as per thinking no sugar better for our health. South Indian people eats a lot of fermented food on daily basis, and also they eat a lot of millet, which is again very good for our health. Staying in South Indian for almost a decade, I have also learned to eat healthy food. Friends, please don't forget to like and comment how you like my recipes. So the more you give your nice and sweet comments, I will get more motivated to upload more healthy and unique recipe for people from different part of the world, because every culture have different type of food and it varies in taste and flavor. I truly like South Indian food. And my family also accepts all the South Indian dish wholeheartedly. I also make Bengali recipes at times. So friends, now I will take the batter mixture and with the help of a ladle pour it into the cavities. And then I will let it cook for 3 to 4 for meat use. You can also cover it with a cover, however, I am not going to cover. With the vapor the paniyaram can get often 10 and I want my paniyaram to be crispy. Also as the dosa batter it already fermented, it doesn't take much time to get cooked. And also friends, make sure the gas flame is medium to low else the paniyaram can get burned. We don't want our paniyaram to get burnt. Many people cook paniyaram in many different ways and add a lot of other spices or also vegetables. However, this is the original paniyaram recipe. This is exactly how the South Indian people cook paniyaram. So if you want exactly the same paniyaram, so you must cook the same way and also just use the ingredients I have used. We all try to experience with our dishes on our own way. However, there are particular dish which requires the same spices for the exact flavor and taste. Cooking is an art. You should have the knowledge as to which spices goes well with dish. Most of the chef know the correct blend of the spices. I have learned cooking on my own. So friends, you can flip the side with the help of a knife and let cook for 1 minute, ready to enjoy.